Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Endotracheal tube, and we're looking at its different sizes. So first we will look at in terms of infant. So full term infant. So here in full term infant, the internal diameter is how much? So we look at ID, that is the internal diameter. This becomes 3.5 mm. And length, if you see, it will be 12 mm. Then we move on to the child. So how is the endotracheal tube here? In the child, it will be 4 plus age divided by 4. And what will be the length? The length will be 12 plus age divided by 2. This will be the orotracheal. Next will be the length. Here it is 14 plus age divided by 2. And this is nothing but the nasotracheal. Then we have the adult female. So adult female will be 7 to 7.5, and the length here it is going to be 20 to 22. Next we move on to the adult male. So adult male will be 7.5 to 9. So we are seeing that as age increases, the size increases, and the length here will be 22 to 24 mm. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.